In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Pragmata. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and check the download option. Check slow download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this juice. Scroll down and select WinX64 and check this profile zip. Once you downloaded these, go to description in back of this save file mod. Check this folder icon and right click on profiles and select WinRAR and select extract to. Extract all of these. Once you have extracted all of these, open the WinX64, open Android juice, open juice.exe. Now you can able to see profiles. Go back to downloads and open the profiles and copy this Pragmata bin and go back to downloads, open WinX64 juice, paste in this profile folder. Now click on the drop-down in game profile and select Pragmata. In input folder path, select this folder icon and go to downloads and open the downloaded save file. Select the downloaded save file. Select open option. Check my video description for this the save file 100% save file link. Go to description tab. Scroll down. He gave his Steam ID. Copy the Steam ID and go back to juice. In input, paste his Steam ID. In output, you need to paste your Steam ID. To find your Steam ID, right click on the game and select open file location. Open the cold client folder, open Steam settings and open this configs user.ini account Steam ID. Copy the Steam ID, paste it in user ID output. For other users, you need to check my video description for this save file path. You can able to see your Steam ID in this your Steam ID path. It's for Steam users. And now select this resign all option and all tasks completed. Select this open output directory, resigned, open random number, and this is the one we have successfully edited. Close everything and drag and drop to desktop. Press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Go back to app data, open roaming, open the GSC saves 3357650 remote Win64 and you need to drop the save file here. You can back up if you have the save. For Steam users, navigate to this path and drop the file. Now launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and you can able to see the slot 6. The save successfully loads. Load the save. And as you can see, the 100% save file is successfully working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.